I'm going to teach you on how to use on this Nuttii coffee scale, because a lot of people buy the scale that actually they do not know how to use the espresso models. So this is a simple scale. You can put this on to increase the friction during use. This is designed for the portafilters. And eventually when you're using the auto model, you will have to hold the model. This is normal. You need to hold the model on the left hand side and turn into auto, and the next one will be espresso. So it's done. So once you do that, I will suggest you to put the rubber on here, so the scale is more stable for espresso portafilters. There's angle here, so you can put the angle here exactly like the people. And from this angle, there are a few functions. So first, you can just put the espresso portafilter tire on top. You will memorize the weights and set to 0. So you can, and now you start the grinding. I'm trying to get 18 grams. This is 17.3. So around 18.5 is a little bit more. Trying to get 18 grams. There we go. And now I'm going for tamping. The time when I leave the portafilter empty, we auto count down around 25 seconds before the next portafilters. So you do not need to press anymore, and you can put the next portafilter on. So you do not need to press on the tail on the timer anymore. And the second function for the portafilter is that you can turn it on the espresso on the auto mode. There's another important function using tool scale is to testing whether your machine is aligned. So now it's ready. So we are put it on. So you auto count down and auto tear the cups. And I do not need to press the这个展示的不够好。So we tell you whether it's level on your tampings. Around 26 seconds. There we go. So this tamping is not levels. There's a 1.8 gram more on the left hand side. I need to adjust my tamping and the leveling on the next shot. Okay. And, the second function, because this scale is designed for baristas, there are a few functions. First is the menu. You just press 0. And then you can just weight the bean. It's a double tap to set it to 0. It's very accurate. You can see the coffee bean. It's very accurate. You can see the coffee bean actually is, you can count to every single beans, because the sensor for the coffee bean, for the scale actually is for laboratory use. So my goal is to get 16 grams. And another very small feature of the coffee scale is that actually you can put the scale, put the beans on here, and try direct to weight it here. After you weight it, you can actually put the coffee bean from the small corner here. It's very easy for you to get the beans in without the bean leaking to the side of the grinders. Yep. And it's very good to use. And lastly, the scale actually is demo for the drip coffee for the professional models. You can press auto. And when you're ready, you can get the coffee beans in. You can put this on, decanter on, and put this on, and you press time. It will auto counting the time, and once you start pouring the water, it will auto doing the counting. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Lastly, you can, it's very capable for portable to bring you everywhere. You can just here, and then put in the pocket to bring out to make coffee anytime.